My dear friends, welcome to our daily math challenge question. So in our today's question number 3, how many isosceles triangles are there with positive area whose side lengths are all positive integers and whose longest side has length 20, 25 or 2025? So are there 1012 isosceles triangles or 2025 isosceles triangles, 3037 or 4050? So as you see here, there are highlighted parts to focus on to figure out some information that help you to find the correct answer. The blue highlighted part with positive area. This sentence means you have a unique triangle is formed already, and it has a positive area, whose side lengths are all positive integers. Here the second part. So all the side lengths are positive integers. Okay, so that means there is no fractions or decimal length. And whose longest side has length 2025. So here, the longest side 2025. So you can consider the second side 2025 and also here 2025. Okay, in this case, it's called isosceles 2, but I will not write the last one like 2025. I'm going to write x. Okay, so here, x has specific numbers, limit numbers between two limit numbers. So x greater than the difference between the two side lengths, like 2000 minus 2025. So the answer is 0. So here x greater than 0 and less than something. Less than their sum, 2025 plus 2025, which is 4050. So x between 0 and 4050. But we have a specific case here. He has the longest length 2025. So here x should be less than 2025. Okay, so x starts from 1 to 2025. So I told you there is equal here 2025. I can write 2025 for the third side, so I'm going to write here equal. Okay, so the third side length limit from 1 to 2025. Okay, so right now I can choose B, but it is not B exactly because there is another case. Okay, in the second case, we can consider here the longest side 2025, and here the equal sides are x. So if you remember, the triangle forming condition x plus x should be greater than 2025. The sum of two sides in a triangle should be greater than 2025. So x plus x, which is 2x, greater than 2025. Okay. So divided by 2, x is going to be 1012.5, but there is no decimal number. But x starts from what? 1013. Okay, so x greater or equal 1013. Right now I have limit for x. Okay, x greater than 1013 and less than a specific number 2, 2025. If you remember this in the condition. Right now, how many possible values for x? To find how many numbers for x here, you can do like this. Okay, here 2024 minus 1013 plus 1. Okay, x less than 2025. So I'm going to start 2024. 2024 minus 1013 plus 1. So the answer is 1012. So there is 1012 possible answer for x. Let's add the total number of x values. Okay, here there are 2025 possible answer for x, possible values for x, and here plus 1012. Add them together. So what would you get? So the answer 3037. So the correct answer 3037 possible isosceles triangles with these conditions. I hope you understand this question carefully, perfectly, confidently, and if you have an easier way than this, you can write me in the comments. Thank you for listening. See you next time.